Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video I'm going to show you guys how to reply email use ChatGPT. So, like me, you perhaps facing that difficult time to replying email, such as, for instance, this email. I've asked by my partner that have to complete the survey, which is really uh, exhausting for me. And then what you have to do, you just you just copy the title and then the body email to the chat GPT, and then paste to the chat GPT, and then you just put separator like this, multiple dash, and then you just ask chat GPT, please read the email, and then tailor me a reply that that following this create direction. Okay, and then you put points direction. Criteria, you put the bullet point here, just reply politely. I don't have time for fill in the survey. That's it. After that, the ChatGPT will be respond. This response is really why. Thank you for reaching out and focusing my feedback regarding my experience as a user partner. I truly appreciate the opportunity to contribute to shaping. Unfortunately, due to time constraint, I won't be able to complete the survey at this moment. However, if there are specific areas of question, blah, 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 it's really good. See, as you can see, this e-play really professional, and then I think it's really proper for you to use ChatGPT to replying email like this, which is make your time difficult like me. Okay, that's it. Very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. I want to highlight one point that you just put this prompt, please read the email, and then you ask the ChatGPT to follow your preferences or your criteria. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.